Meaning of day girl.
Day girl.
Day girl.
Day girl.
Day girl. The term day girl can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a girl or woman who works during the day, as opposed to a night shift worker. It can also refer to a female employee who performs domestic tasks, such as cleaning and cooking, during the day. In some cases, the term may also be used to describe a woman who is outgoing and sociable during the day but becomes more reserved at night. Overall, day girl is a flexible term that can have multiple interpretations.